Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Again, it's your boy Etiforex, the major. So look at this VIX 10-1 ace. Okay, so I keep telling you guys that markets price action is the best when it comes to trading the financial markets, right? Because with price action, you'll be able to tell what's going to happen in future. You can see what the future tells, right? So with price action, you can stay consistently. Just need to keep on practicing and knowing the right thing to learn. You don't learn everything. It's not everything you come here and start learning everything. Just knowing the right thing to learn and the ones you shouldn't learn, because knowing too much is also a problem. So you just need to know the right thing to learn before coming to this market, right? Without that, you can never be successful. Trust me, 100. You can never be successful. So what am I saying here? When you come into this market, the first thing you need to do is to pick a mentor, all right? Someone that knows, someone that has a strategy, a trading system, a strategy, a working and active strategy that stay consistent, like make good profits every day. All right. Yeah, it might not be every day, you cannot be making profits every day, because this is the business. First of all, as you come in, you need to understand that this business you need to lose and you need to make money. So if you don't lose money, I cannot make money. If I don't lose money, you can never make money. And if everybody wins, that means our brokers are going home. So somebody needs to lose for someone to win. It's the money you're losing, they're paying to this other person that is winning. It's just how it is. Because the market is decentralized, right? It's a decentralized market. So it's not owned, or it's not being funded. It's not funded by anybody. So it's what you lose and some other person is earning from it. So that's just how it is. Okay, so somebody must lose. So coming into this market, you need to understand that you must lose for it to win. If you don't lose, you don't win. That means the market will stuck at a place without moving. So because while you're projecting to buy, some other person is projecting to sell. Do you understand? So that's why the market goes up and down. But the thing is that we have more profitable traders that are trading price action. Now, if you join the price action traders, as they are buying, you're seeing the buy. And if more of us are buying at the same time, we make more money. But if few of us buying at the same time, we lose money instead, right? Yeah, like for example, we have 10 persons here who want to buy VIX 10-1 ace as it is now. If about 8 of us decide to buy, the markets will be going up. But if like just 2 of us decide to sell with a small a capital investment money, the markets will be going against them, right? So if we have 8 of us with good capital, we are buying, the markets will be going up, right? So more price action traders are seeing almost the same thing, right? Because as I'm seeing uptrend like this, when I say uptrend, this is what I mean. When I say uptrend, you see market going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low to create another higher high, right? I'm seeing, look at this, I'm seeing this and some other things I need to put into consideration. It tells me that the market is actually going up. But if you don't know, if you're making use of only indicator, your indicator might be telling you something else, when the main people that owns the market, the rich guys that are investing big amounts of money in the market, are seeing buy, and your indicator is telling only you sell, and you're selling, it's gonna deceive you, right? So that's why you see if I bring a boom and crash strategy here, I combine it with price action, because I know I cannot indicator cannot tell me everything I need to know. I need some confirmation, price action confirmation, right? So you don't even need to learn more if you just want to be using indicator to combine it with a price action. You don't really need to learn more, but I'll advise you to go in hard. You need to go hard and make good money from this market, right? This market has been taking so much money from us. It's our own turn to make money. So the only way you can make money is learning price action, and I'm not lying. Okay, so now look at this market now. VIX 10-1 ace. Let me quickly show you guys my reason for this trade and what you should be looking at as well. In this video now, I'm going to teach you guys, you will learn a whole lot of stuff, how to take a trade, why you should take a trade, why market did this and that, and you need to understand what my reasons for taking some trades. All right, so you need to learn, you will learn so much from this video. Okay, so please make sure that you give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, join our free Telegram channel, some good comments. I really appreciate those, right? Join our free Telegram channel. Is very important. Free classes will be coming up pretty soon. I'll announce when we have in our free classes, right? So make sure you join the free Telegram channel for those free classes. So look at this. VIX 10-1 Ace, right? I've given to my VIP. VIX 10-1 Ace. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Market has been going up, right? Like what I just explained few seconds ago. Market is creating highs, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. About to create another higher high. And as it's creating higher high, it's actually going higher, right? So now we're expecting market to go up again. That's why waiting for market to drop back to this point for me to buy. And when you look at this level again, this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone. This is our demand zone. You can see the pressure right here. You can see the pressure by the left, the higher pressure here. So I knew that when market comes back to this point again, you're going to start buying. Though I was actually waiting for market to really touch this line. I was actually waiting for market to kiss this line properly, touch this line properly before I jump in for buys. But since it didn't come down to this level, it's fine. I realized I've seen the structure on the lower time frame that market is ready to move. That's why I jumped in even without touching this line. So you see that price action tells me market might be moving without touching this line. I think I need to jump in, and if it does come back to this line, then my SL is quite below the line, right? So my entry was the confirmation that market will be coming down to create another higher low, to create higher high. So waiting for market to come down to this point. And this is, remember, this is my demand, which is, these are demand. If you want to know demand, join the free Telegram channel. We'll be talking about this, okay? And join our mentorship. A mentorship fee is it's almost free. It's very easy. It's very cheap, right? Join the mentorship, right? Let me teach you how to identify all this stuff. So this is our demand zone here, and this is support. Now on this support here, we have a confluence, what we call confluence. This is a confluence. We have the first trend line, and we have the horizontal line right at the same point. So this is a confluence, which is a high probability setup. So we have so many confirmations, and after that there was a confirmation, a candlestick confirmation. The first rejection, which is the red candlestick. The second rejection with this green small candlestick. That is a hammer. That is a hammer candlestick. So I waited for that hammer to close. Then immediately the hammer closed, I realized that market was really far from my entry, from my stop loss level. So I decided to wait for market to drop a bit to this point. Immediately the market dropped a bit to this point, I decided to open a few positions at that point, and we're running in good profit. So now this is our target. Though I will be targeting to take few partial profits around this zone, because this has been a zone. This is a zone where market broke down from, so market might want to respect this zone. So I'll take partial profits around this level, but this is my overall target, right? This is my overall target. So very soon I'll be moving. Once market gets to this point, I'll be moving my SL from here up to this point above my entry, right? So that in case market comes back, it can never hit my it can never take anything from me. So this trade will be completely free from any form of risk, right? So now you can see that. So you can see this is an uptrend. So I brought my trend line. I placed my trend line from this origin. This is the origin of this trend. Then I push it up to the future. Then I waited for market to get back to that point. See, market touched this line. So I was actually waiting for market to touch this line again. But since it didn't touch the line, it's few pips to the line, before the line. So I decided, after confirming some structure on the lower time frame, guys, there are a whole lot of stuff to learn. After confirming some structure on the lower time frame, I knew that markets will be moving. So I jumped into this market, and look at where we are now. We're actually making good profits, some great profits, right? So that's how it is. That's how it is. Very simple. And also, knowing where to place your SL is very important. Knowing where to place your SL is very important. This place I place my SL, to me, is not really good, right? I'm supposed to place my SL below somewhere here. Why? Because this is where the structure closed, the previous structure stopped. So my SL is supposed to be few pips below, or a few points below the structure. Why? Because market might want to kiss this structure again and start going up. Then it will just bounce from that level and start going up without touching my SL. But I'm putting my SL here because market did not drop down to this confluence for me to buy and make good money. Or like, sorry, for me to buy at that point and place my SL here. So that's why I'm putting my SL here, so that it will be not too long, because since I have people I'm providing signals, my VIP members, I'm providing signals, I decided to put my SL here so that it won't be much. But if market comes down to this point, I'll tell them to adjust, right? But at this point, a lot of people should have been taking profit, because I've seen with two lot size, I've seen over $35 or $37 thereabout, right? So any reasonable person would have taken partial profits, or few or close out, or still wait for market to play out and we get more money, right? So yeah, so take a look at my VIP. This is my VIP. This is my VIP right here. This is my VIP. Okay, so this is my VIP. You can see we're winning everything. We're winning everything. We're winning everything. Winning everything. All our trades we're winning, right? So before I drop my signal, I'll tell you attention, attention, attention. Then I'll give you a few minutes for you guys to adjust. Then I drop my signal. Market keep running, 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 running. I give another signal. Market keep running. Buy jump 25. Apply proper risk management. Look at that. I drop my SL. Look at that. Look at that. We're running good profits, hitting TPs. We hit both TP. We hit TP1 here. We hit TP2, so TP1 and TP2. So yesterday we hit like 3 TPs yesterday, and today we're running good profits again. Look at that. This is the VIX 1S. This is the VIX 1S. So we're running. So I've just dropped the setup here for them to see why my reason for the trade. So that's how it's done in the VIP room. There's no scam. Right now, I have someone that is chatting me up to join the VIP. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that's how it's done, right? So please make sure that I know you enjoyed this video. I've dropped so much things, like a lot of stuff you need to learn from, so much information, so much is well detailed, okay? In a very short period of time, you can analyze the market just the way I did, right? So please, please, please appreciate me, encourage me to do more of this by showing some reacting, liking this video, subscribe to this channel, join the free Telegram channel for more of stuff like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop video will be coming like every day now, so that whenever I drop a video, you learn and start making money from them, right? That's it, guys. I love you. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.